The decentralized exchanges scene has changed a little bit since our last video on it, and they've improved a lot as well. Over the past few years, they've become easier to use, cheaper to trade on, and also far more reliable. So as we head into 2026, let's take a look at the most popular decentralized exchanges today. Okay, if you're new here or if you just need a quick refresher, a decentralized exchange, or DEX, lets you trade crypto directly from your wallet. You stay in control of your assets as there is no company holding your funds, unlike trading on a centralized exchange. Instead, trades are handled by smart contracts and liquidity pools. Everything settles on-chain and anyone can view the pools. Aside from self-custody, DEXs typically list more tokens from more blockchains. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the top ones. Let's start with one of the OGs, Uniswap. Built on Ethereum, Uniswap is one of the largest decentralized exchanges in crypto and a core source of liquidity for Ethereum and many layer 2 networks. On Uniswap, you can swap tokens, provide liquidity, and earn fees from pools. Anyone can create a token and list it by starting a liquidity pool. Now, what makes Uniswap pretty big is also how often it's used behind the scenes. Many apps and wallets route trades through Uniswap automatically, even if the user never visits the site directly. Since launching in 2018, Uniswap has helped to popularize the automated market maker, or AMM model. Over time, it's continued to improve how liquidity works. Uniswap v3 introduced concentrated liquidity, which lets providers deploy funds more efficiently. And now with Uniswap v4, the focus is on customization, lower gas costs, and more flexible design for builders. For users, that could mean better pricing, lower fees, and more advanced trading tools, even if much of it happens quietly in the background. Next up, we have one for Solana, Jupiter Exchange. The idea behind it is simple. Users shouldn't have to think about where to trade. On Solana, there are plenty of options for swapping tokens, and Jupiter looks at all of them to find the best route and make the trade for you. So that makes swapping tokens easier, especially for users who just want fast execution without micromanaging the process. It's a big reason Jupiter has become a popular entry point for trading on Solana. Other trading features on Jupiter include perpetuals trading, borrowing and lending, and prediction markets trading. There's even a mobile app for on-the-go traders that follows the same philosophy. Fast swaps, low fees, and simple tools like portfolio tracking and basic automation. Rather than trying to do everything at once, Jupiter focuses on making trading smoother and more reliable. So ongoing updates are aimed at better performance, clearer navigation, and an overall better user experience. Next up is PancakeSwap, another exchange built with accessibility in mind. PancakeSwap started as a fork of Uniswap on BNB chain, but it has since expanded to support multiple networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Base. From the beginning, the goal was to make DeFi feel less intimidating. Even the name PancakeSwap was chosen to feel more approachable. What began as a simple token swap platform has since grown into a full DeFi suite. Users can trade, provide liquidity, and stake assets to earn rewards. The ecosystem also includes perps trading, an NFT marketplace, prediction markets, and community competitions. Despite all that expansion, the focus has stayed the same: make DeFi usable without overwhelming users. That's a big reason PancakeSwap remains one of the most actively used decentralized exchanges today. If you've been spending time on Base, Aerodrome is hard to miss. As Base's adoption has grown, Aerodrome has become one of the network's main hubs for trading and liquidity. For users moving funds from Coinbase into on-chain apps, it is fast and also cheap. Beyond simple swaps and liquidity pools, Aerodrome plays a bigger role in the Base ecosystem. What sets it apart is its vote escrow model, which is a unique feature that directs liquidity incentives to different pools based on voter preferences. And this helps to align liquidity providers with the long-term health of the network. As Base continues to grow, Aerodrome is increasingly proving that it can be core trading infrastructure rather than just another DEX. Now, Phantom might feel like an odd inclusion since it's a wallet first, not an exchange. Originally built for Solana, Phantom now supports Ethereum, Base, and Bitcoin, but it is still one of the most widely used wallets in the Solana ecosystem. At its core, the Phantom wallet lets users store assets, send and receive tokens, manage NFTs, and interact with DeFi apps. But it also includes built-in token swapping. That means users can trade without ever opening a separate DEX interface. You pick a token, you confirm the swap, and you're done. For new users, especially, this lowers friction. There's less to learn and fewer chances to make mistakes. Phantom has also added features like Phantom Terminal and prediction markets, blurring the line between wallet and exchange even more.
We're rolling out prediction markets natively within Phantom in partnership with Callsheet and DFlow.
Now, before we wrap up this video, there are also a few newer platforms worth keeping an eye on. Axiom Trade is a high-performance multi-chain exchange built with active traders in mind. Backed by Y Combinator, it focuses on fast execution, token discovery, wallet tracking, and real-time market intel. Another one to watch is Humidify. Built on Solana, Humidify takes a different approach to liquidity. Instead of relying on community-provided pools, it uses internal vaults managed by professional market makers. The goal is tighter spreads and lower slippage, especially for larger trades. Different designs for the same objective of better UX. We also have a separate video on Hyperliquid, a DEX that has rocketed in popularity and now challenges even centralized exchanges, though it focuses more on perps rather than spot trades. So which ones are you using right now? Let us know in the comments below. And if this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto insights. Bye.